have changed my whole life. If anyone is on the verge of getting these glasses, I am a completely different person. In the past 2 months, I'm more social now because I can see people, I can make eye contact with people. People don't look weird and distorted. I can drive. I'm not a grandma driver anymore because I would go so slow because I just couldn't trust myself going fast. I'm more attentive. I have more capacity for work. I have more capacity for life. This whole time I thought it was a brain fog, neurological issue, or something weird like that. And it was by the grace of God that I found you on TikTok and booked an appointment because a majority of all my issues have gone away with these prisms.
Amazing. Wow, I'm like tearing up right now. Wow.
Yeah. No, I'm tearing up. I text my mom every day. I'm like, I'm literally crying. I can see for the first time. My boyfriend will be having a conversation with me and I'll be looking past him at the birds because I can see birds.
Yeah.
I've never been able to see correctly and I just didn't know that. I thought everyone saw like that. And so I'll literally be reading. If there's any words far away, I'm just reading them because I'm just in such shock. So my poor boyfriend, the first few months was like, I'm over here. But even he, like, I can see his face. Like, I can see the details of him. I didn't know trees were so detailed. I didn't know that plants were so detailed. Literally, you've given me a completely different perspective of the world. I had no idea it was this colorful and pretty. Everything was just such a blur before. I've cried multiple times since this appointment with you because my life feels like it's coming back. If there's a list of people who've changed my life, you were like one of the people at the top. If anyone here that's watching is on the verge of coming to see Dr. David or not, go and see him because I know that he will probably change your life if you're struggling with this stuff. I had severe anxiety. I have not had a panic attack since I put these glasses on. I was diagnosed with like depression, anxiety, like everything. Social anxiety. I don't have social anxiety. I guess I'm actually an extrovert. All my friends are like, you have been to literally every social event and you're like the loudest person here now. And before I was quiet and nervous and I was too much for my nervous system. I couldn't go into Marshall's. I couldn't go into the gym. My mom even said when I was little, she couldn't take me into Marshall's without me crying because the lights are just so bright. So much of your mental health has to do with your eyes. It is insane. And I can read again, or for the first time, because my reading level was always just ridiculous. I was 5th grade reading level in early high school. And they're like, she's really smart, but she can't take Scantron tests. She can't read. And I've been reading my Bible every single day for the first time, which is crazy. I went to the bookstore and got a bunch of books, and I'm enjoying things again.
And you're just gonna get better. If this is 2 months in, I'm not kidding, you're just gonna get better and better and better.
Really?